Welcome to Dad English. I am Grace.
And I am Anthony. Today, we are learning how to stop exploding.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to lower your blood pressure instantly.
Grace, look at me. I am safe. I am wearing a suit made of bubble wrap.
Why are you wearing bubble wrap, Anthony?
To protect myself from pressure. If life hits me, I will just bounce. Boing.
Anthony, stress comes from inside your head, not from the outside. You cannot bubble wrap your brain.
Oh no. My brain is naked. Grace, what is stress? Is it a curse? Is it a ghost haunting me?
No, stress is a survival mechanism. It is called fight or flight.
Who am I fighting? A bear?
Your brain thinks it is fighting a bear, but actually it is just an email from your boss.
My boss is scarier than a bear. The bear doesn't ask for spreadsheets on Sunday.
Exactly. Your body releases energy to run away, but you are sitting in a chair. That energy becomes stress.
Grace, I feel like I am full, like a water balloon, ready to pop.
That is the stress bucket theory.
I have a bucket in my head?
Imagine everyone carries a bucket. Every stress adds water, traffic, work, money.
My bucket is overflowing. It is a waterfall of worry.
You need to poke holes in the bucket to let the stress out.
I will use a drill.
No, the holes are sleep, exercise, and laughing with friends.
Grace, I am exhausted, but I cannot sleep. My brain is a hamster on a wheel.
That is cortisol, the stress hormone. You are tired but wired.
I hate cortisol. Can I evict it?
No, you need it to wake up in the morning. But you have too much at night.
I will trick the cortisol. I will pretend to be a statue so it thinks I am sleeping.
Smiling. Or you could just stop drinking coffee at 8 p.m.
But the coffee makes me happy. It is my emotional support beverage. Grace, I am eating this stress chocolate. It calms me down.
Be careful. Sugar gives you a spike, then a crash. The crash makes stress worse.
But for 5 seconds, I was in heaven.
Eat complex carbs or a banana. Stress burns magnesium. Bananas help.
Goodbye, sweet friend. Hello, yellow fruit. Grace, I have too much to do. I have 1,000 tasks. I am drowning.
You are catastrophizing.
Is that a dance move?
No, it means your brain is imagining the worst possible outcome.
But the worst outcome is real. If I don't fold the laundry, society will collapse.
Anthony, the world will survive if you wear wrinkled shirts.
You are right. Wrinkles are just texture. Anthony, I cannot decide what to eat for lunch. I have been staring at the menu for an hour.
That is decision fatigue. Your brain is tired of making choices.
I just want the perfect sandwich.
Use the satisficing rule. Pick the first thing that looks good enough.
Cheese sandwich. Done. My brain thanks you. Anthony, I found a cure for stress. It is called screaming.
Screaming?
Yes. I go into my car and I scream like a banshee. Ah!
That is one way to release emotion, but maybe try box breathing instead.
Do I breathe into a box?
No. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Out for 4. Hold for 4. It resets your nervous system.
In. Hold. My face turns red. Grace, I held it for 4 minutes. I saw a white light.
Seconds, Anthony, not minutes. Do not pass out.
Grace, what if the sun explodes? What if gravity stops working?
Anthony, look at this circle.
It is a nice circle.
Inside is things I can control. Outside is things I can't control.
The sun exploding is outside the circle?
Yes, focus on the inside. What you eat, when you sleep, how you treat people.
I can control my sandwich. I will focus on the sandwich.
Grace, look, I am multitasking. I am answering emails and watching a movie. Multitasking is a myth. You are just task switching very fast.
But I am efficient.
No, you are lowering your IQ by 10 points. You are stressing your brain.
My brain does feel dizzy. I will do one thing at a time. Grace, I am burned out. I am a piece of toast.
Burnout is serious. It means your battery is at 0%.
I will push through. I will work harder. 110%.
No, if your phone is at 0%, do you scream at it to work harder?
No, I plug it in.
You need to plug yourself in. Rest is not a reward. Rest is a requirement.
So I must nap for survival?
Yes, go recharge.
I am so happy. Everything is great. I am never sad.
Antony, you are crying while you smile. That is creepy.
No, good vibes only. Negative thoughts are banned.
That is toxic positivity. It is unhealthy to suppress emotions. If you are sad, be sad.
Thank goodness. Being happy is exhausting. I want to complain.
Go ahead, complain.
Grace, this drawing must be perfect. If I make a mistake, I am a failure.
That is perfectionism. It is just fear in fancy shoes.
But I have high standards.
Aim for good enough. Perfection is the enemy of done.
The stick figure has 3 arms.
His is abstract art. It is good enough.
Grace, the traffic made me angry. The red light hates me.
You are taking it personally. The light is just a machine.
No, it turned red because it saw my face. It is a bully.
Change your perspective. The red light is a pause button. Take a breath.
Okay, red light means box breathing time. Grace, I should go to the gym. I should call my mom. I should clean the car.
Stop shoulding on yourself.
What?
The word should creates guilt. Change it to could.
I could go to the gym.
See? Now it is a choice, not a prison sentence.
I could go, but I choose to sit. Grace, everyone is looking at me. They are judging my shirt.
That is the spotlight effect. You think everyone is watching you.
They are. They are writing reviews about my shirt.
No, they are worrying about their own shirts. You are a background character in their movie.
I love being a background character. Invisible Antony. Grace, I have to give a speech. My hands are shaking.
That is adrenaline. Your body is giving you energy to perform.
It feels like fear.
Reframe it. Say, I am excited.
I am excited to vomit?
No, your body doesn't know the difference between fear and excitement. Tell it you are excited.
I am excited! Hey, my hands stop shaking. Grace, I am cleaning the kitchen. I am very productive.
Aren't you supposed to be writing your report?
Yes, but the fridge was dirty.
This is procrastination cleaning. You are avoiding the hard task.
But a clean fridge feels so good.
Eat the frog. Do the hard thing first. Then clean the fridge.
Grace, I said yes to everyone. Now I have to bake 500 cookies and fix a roof.
You need boundaries.
Like a fence?
Yes, a fence around your time. You have to learn the word no.
No is a rude word. People will hate me.
If you say yes to them, you are saying no to yourself.
Whoa, I was rejecting myself?
Protect your peace, Antony.
Grace, tomorrow is Monday. I feel sick.
The Sunday scaries. You are mourning the weekend.
The emails are waiting. The alarm clock is watching me.
Plan something fun for Monday night. Pizza? Movie?
If I have pizza on Monday, Monday is not a monster.
Exactly. Give yourself a treat.
Grace, I am hugging this tree. Is it working?
What are you doing?
Forest bathing. The internet said nature reduces stress.
That is true. Fresh air lowers cortisol.
But this tree has ants. The ants are stressing me out.
Maybe just walk near the tree. You don't have to marry it.
Grace, I am reading the news. It is terrible. Everything is on fire.
Stop doom scrolling.
But I need to stay informed. If I stop looking, the fire will get bigger.
Watching the fire doesn't put it out. It just burns your eyes.
Can I watch videos of cats instead?
Yes. Cat videos are medicinal.
Grace, my neck hurts. My shoulders are touching my ears.
Do a body scan.
Like a photocopier?
No. Close your eyes. Focus on your toes. Then your knees. Release the tension.
Whoa! I was holding my breath in my knees. Is that possible?
Just let it go. Drop your shoulders.
Grace, my brain is too loud. It has 50 tabs open like a computer.
Do a brain dump.
That sounds messy.
Write everything down on paper. Get it out of your head.
Buy milk, feed cat, don't explode.
Better?
Much better. The paper is stressed now, not me. Ha ha! I am doing laughter yoga. Fake laughing tricks the brain into happiness.
It sounds like a horror movie.
Now I am laughing because you look scared. It worked.
Laughter releases endorphins, even if you look crazy.
Grace, I am spiraling. I need help now.
Use the 5-4-3-2-1 technique.
Is that a countdown to explosion?
No. Name 5 things you see, 4 you feel, 3 you hear, 2 you smell, 1 you taste.
I see a lamp. I feel the chair. I smell old socks.
Maybe wash the socks, but are you present?
Yes. I stopped worrying about the future because I was smelling socks. Grace, it is raining. I hate rain. My shoes are wet.
Try a gratitude flipping.
Oh, I am so grateful for wet socks.
No. Be grateful you have shoes. Be grateful the rain waters the plants.
I am grateful I am not a duck. No, ducks like rain.
It shifts your brain from negative to positive.
Grace, I realized something. Stress is just a story I tell myself.
Go on.
The traffic is not stressful. My reaction to the traffic is stressful.
You cracked the code.
I am the master of my mind.
Your bubble wrap suit is popping.
I am popping with joy. Grace, my bucket has holes. My battery is charging. The bear is gone.
How do you feel?
I feel light, like a bubble.
Just don't float away.
Stop exploding. Poke holes in your bucket.
And take a deep breath. In for 4, out for 4. See you in the next episode.
Bye. Does anyone want some slightly popped bubble wrap?